Hey guys, okay, so this is the last of the videos that I'm doing for this module. Just think it's module 8. So this is going to be how to create resumes and cover letters in Word. So we have a lot of great templates. You can find more online, but let's go over here to New. Let's search for resume and click it in here. And you can see that there are tons of them that you can choose from that have been pre-made for you to use, and often for different industries or for different tastes. So I like this one right now, so I'm going to click on it, and I'm just going to hit create here. This is for a designer, I guess. And so then I would just go in and I would put information about me here. I would put, this one has an objective statement. We would want to make that a career summary because we don't use objectives anymore. Word hasn't been fully updated. Then we would put in our contact information over here, and we would type in different experience that we have. This one I like the skills bars where you can assess the level of each of your skills and adjust them accordingly. So that's a really cool feature on this one that you could use. Let's say that I didn't like this one. I wanted to go and let's try something a little simpler and a little bit less designery. So let's go resume again. I'm just gonna go with this standard modern chronological one. This one looks pretty good, right? So I could just click on it and then go and just type in information as I needed it, and then just type whatever I needed and my experiences and stuff through here. So that's super simple. All you got to do is just fill in the fields as you want to put them in. So now let's say that I wanted to do a cover letter. So same deal. I just type in cover letter here. And it wants to give me resumes again for some reason. So let's look for a cover letter template. Blue, gray resume, blue, gray cover letter, modern initials cover letter, columns cover letter, minimalist cover letter. Let's go with minimalist cover letter. And again, I just hit create. It's already in the format that it needs to be in, roughly. So I put in what I needed here. I would write the recipient. You could click here, put the recipient's name. This I don't really like the way it's phrased. I would make this into a better introductory paragraph, and I'd just go ahead and I'd fill in the information that I needed here, and just kind of fill in whatever things were necessary to make that into the cover letter that I wanted it to be. So, and then I'd save it if I wanted to. I'm not going to because I don't need to save this stuff. So I'm just gonna hit don't save on these. So that's how you locate those features in Word, and how you can use those to very quickly create a cover letter or a resume for this assignment. And I'll go ahead and upload this, and I look forward to seeing your resumes very soon.